So let me fill my Facebook lead ads form and you will see that an instant WhatsApp message with image is sent to my this lead. So here I'm going to fill this Facebook lead ads form where I have provided the email, first name, last name, phone number, city of my lead. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now an instant WhatsApp message will be sent to my this lead. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that we are successfully receiving this message. And here we are getting this caption which says, "Hi new lead, thank you for showing interest in moons and metal jewelries." And here you can see that we are successfully receiving the same name of the lead which has just filled my Facebook lead ads form. So you can see that we are sending a personalized WhatsApp message to our leads with this image. So now you can also create this automation for your Facebook lead ads. So now for that you have to use only one automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate your varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. And now I'm going to show you how you can create this automation by using which you can send WhatsApp image messages to your new leads received through Facebook lead ads form. So now let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect to create this automation with me. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will get two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. Means you can create this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. You might get some other coupon codes as well, but they are going to provide you just 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to 6% off on your purchase for the Pabbly. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we have to select the trigger application. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Facebook lead ads. And now let's select the app event as new lead instant and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you just have to click over this button, that is connect with Facebook lead ads. And right here I'm going to select my Facebook account which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to just click over this continue button, and here again I'm going to click over this continue button, and you will see that the connection is built in because I have already logged in my Facebook account. So make sure to firstly log in your account for getting a smoother experience. And here on my Facebook, I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, through which I'm going to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to select this page from this drop down. And now I have to select the form through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I'm going to select my form as new leads, as I want to receive the leads of only this particular form. But if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this particular page, then you can even select all leads and forms also. Now let me select new leads, and the response format is simple. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for getting the webhook response, let's move on towards my Meta for Developers page with me. So right here I'm on my Meta for Developers page, where on the resources we are getting this option for developer tools, which you have to select. And you will be landed to this developer tools page, where you just have to scroll down and select this lead ads RTU debug tool. And we will be landed to the lead ad testing tool page, where again we have to select the page through which we want to receive the leads. So here I'm going to select the page as the Magic Makers and the form as new leads. And right here I have to delete my previous lead because I can create only one lead per form, as I'm working on the test mode. So now let me delete my previous lead firstly, and here you can see that my lead has been deleted. Now we just have to click over this preview form button, and here we are getting this form which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled this form providing the email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting our Facebook lead ads form, which is successfully submitted. Now this data of the lead will be instantly captured by Pabbly Connect, as we have just built in the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that we are successfully receiving this response, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Facebook lead ads form. Now I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to this lead with offer image. So for that I'm going to use another application provided by Pabbly called as Pabbly Chat Flow, by using which you can send WhatsApp messages to your customers instantly. And you can also create chatbots, AI assistant, and can broadcast WhatsApp campaigns by using this amazing application provided by Pabbly Chat Flow. So I'm going to just select this application. Now let's select the app event as send image message, as I want to send a message consisting the image. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here we are on the connection page where for building a new connection you have to enter the token. So for getting the token, let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see this application, that is Pabbly Chat Flow, which I'm going to access. So as I have clicked over this access now button, we are landed with the dashboard page of Pabbly Chat Flow, where make sure to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chat Flow account. And now you just have to go towards the settings and select this API and webhooks. And we are landed to the page where you can see this API token, which you have to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect, so that we can build the connection and can send WhatsApp image messages. And here you can see that the connection has been built in, and we are getting this first field for entering the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type my recipient WhatsApp mobile number like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Facebook lead ads, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is so simple. You just have to select the field and press the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map my user's WhatsApp mobile number. Now for the image URL, I'm going to enter a publicly accessible image URL. So now let's enter it. So this is the URL of my publicly accessible image. And now let's provide the caption. So this is the caption or the message which I'm going to send to my user, and here after this word hi, I'm going to map the name of my user so that I can send personalized message. So here I'm going to map the first name, provide the space, and now I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it, and now for this field, that is recipient WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as that was just a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this response which specifies the status is success and the message is sent. So now let me take it towards my WhatsApp to check this WhatsApp message. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully sending this WhatsApp message to my lead with this image, and this message says, hi test lead, thank you for showing interest in moon and metals jewelry. And right here you can see that we are receiving the same name of the lead which has just filled our Facebook lead ads form. So this is the way you can send image WhatsApp messages to your customers. And now as soon as you will receive a new lead over your Facebook lead ads, an instant WhatsApp message will be sent to this lead. So now you can also create this automation for whatever business you are running. You just have to use one automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.